Hello, my crafty friends. Wanted to jump on and do a quick video for you so I could share with you the unboxing of one of our newest kits that just became available at the beginning of August. Mine just came in the mail, so I haven't even opened the box yet. This is called the Crafted Blooms kit. And with all of our kits, it comes in this cute little box. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you. This is a non-stamping kit, so let's get that out of there. Okay, so everything that you need to do the kit comes in the box. It's all shrink wrapped together. If it involves stamping, it would have a stamp set, a block, and an ink spot to go with it. So let me go ahead and open this up and get rid of the plastic and get rid of the little halo effect. Because that halo effect, I need the light, but yet it creates a little halo effect on anything that's shiny. So just makes it a little challenging. So I'm going to show you what is in the kit. Oh, good Lord. Okay. Just can't win. Got to get rid of that too. What I took out of the picture is this little plastic bag that has dimensionals and glue dots in it. So what I just want to show you is everything that comes in this kit. And all of our kits, when they have words that are pre-printed, actually come in like 3 different languages. I think it's French, German, and English. And that way, instead of having to have 3 different inventory items, they just have one box and you choose the words you're going to use. So we've got this just plain white piece of paper here. We've got some die cuts of leaves. Here's the English version of the words. Here's some more words that come with the kit. These are just a couple of pieces that I'm sure at some point will make sense when we get ready to put the cards together. But then you can see we've got a bunch of die cuts here. Another piece of paper here. And a lot more die cuts of flowers. They're very pretty. And we have our instructions. And so these are the cards that we're going to make with this kit. What I love about our instructions, hopefully there's no halo, is you've got the pictures of what you're making. Then you have, for each card, it shows you all the pieces you're going to need to make these cards. And if you've never made one of ours before, I'll show you a little trick. I'm just trying to find the right place to zoom in on here. Let's zoom in over here. So, like I said, this kit came with dimensionals and it came with glue dots. So whenever it wants you to use a glue dot, you're going to see this little black circle, gray circle. See, that's got 6 of those. When it wants you to use a dimensional, this piece below it, it wants you to use 6 dimensionals, and they're white hexagons. So that's how you can tell when you're looking at the kit what adhesive you're supposed to be using to put together your cards. So what I usually like to do when I first get a kit like this is I like to go through and sort what pieces go with which card. But before I do that, I might actually go through and just punch out a bunch of these pieces. So what I might do is actually do a little bit of this off camera and come back with a second video to actually show you putting the cards together. Because I think it's going to take me a little while, because here's another sheet of die cuts. I just need to punch every single one of these little pieces out. So what I'm going to do is do that off camera, and then I'll come back with a part 2 and put together the cards for you. So stay tuned.